What's good, y'all? It's TheeImaniAnisa here, and I am back with another video. Okay, if you ain't know, now you know, period. So you guys, today, as you can see, honey got a new do. Okay, got a little bang going, and I did not have to cut my hair to achieve this look. So if you want to see how I got it, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get into this video, I want to make sure that y'all know what y'all are supposed to do. So make sure y'all go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure y'all click that bell so you're notified when I post another video. And let's get right into this video. Hi, Mama Steve. They're taking a nap.
Sticky.
Okay.
Street frogs have sticky toes.
All right, y'all, so we got, ooh, she look good. Okay, this John on the beat, by the way. Look like she going ahead and sectioning off the hair with the good pony in the back. Yeah. All right, gonna twist that guy. Get him real crisp like, ooh, flip him. All right, twirly dirly, all the way down. Then what you gonna do? Get that in there. I see you. And then what you gonna do? You gonna insert the tip through the little loop at the bottom and pull that guy. Crisp. Okay. All right, it's in there. And then you're gonna give it an actual twist so it's super crisp at the base. What? How you do that so quick? So like after the first one, ours gonna look like that too? I don't know, but it looks great. We're gonna keep doing what we was doing before. You see the pony in the back. You see the lymph. Twisty twist. All right. Oh, I think you should leave that one. I like that. What else? We could do that too. What we said, twirly dirly. Stick it through the end and pull. Yup. I might have to do this to my hair when my hair get a little longer, because I'm gonna be back to square one if I do that right now. Ring-a-ling-ling. Get that in there real nice and tight. Nice. Talk to him, babe. So I just want to know how you did them first 12 so quick, but it's taking you forever to do these last 3. Oh yeah, you gotta read. Oh, you put that in your bun. Okay, I see what you did. And there you guys have it, the bang bang bookie. You don't even like the same person no more. Be advised, guys. You might not recognize yourself after doing this. Get that guy in there nice and snug and tight like. There you go. One more band ain't gonna hurt nobody. Put them guys in the bun. Okay. It's a method to the madness, you know what I'm saying? You get it to whatever length, whatever side, you know. However, I mean, you gotta do all one side of your head with the, you can do this to one side of your head and have the other side regular. Of course, after you ring that bell. I could have swore you did this one already, babe. It's all good. Okay. Now my hair longer than yours. Crisp. Super crisp. It really looks like your hair is that long.
All right, you guys. So this is the final look. not the final look yet. This is the final look. Yes, honey.